Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in health and wellness products. Today, we're diving into a must-have for anyone seeking a nutritious boost, the Ensure Max Protein Liquid Nutritional Shake. But before we jump in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on all our latest reviews. Now, let's talk about why the Ensure Max Protein Shake is making waves in the health community, particularly among expecting mothers. That's right, folks, this isn't just any protein shake. It's been hailed as the best protein shake for pregnancy available on the market. Packed with 30 grams of high-quality protein and just 1 gram of sugar per serving, this shake is a powerhouse of nutrition. But it doesn't stop there. Ensure Max Protein isn't just about protein. It's about delivering a comprehensive blend of vitamins and minerals to support not only your own health but also the health of your growing baby. Let's take a closer look at what's inside. With a careful selection of vitamins and minerals, including zinc, vitamins A and D, and antioxidants like vitamins C and E. This shake is designed to bolster your immune system and promote overall well-being. And with 7 delicious flavors to choose from, including the indulgent cafe mocha, you'll never get tired of enjoying your daily dose of nutrition. So, whether you're looking to support a healthy pregnancy, or simply want a convenient way to fuel your body with essential nutrients, Ensure Max Protein has you covered. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews like this. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.